Well, certainly a lot of dense fog this morning. Here's a view looking off to the east from Warren Fault there in Augusta County, and it really is a sea of fog. And for many of us, the fog held on until about 9-10 o'clock in the morning before it lifted and the clouds gave way to more sunshine. Here's another shot from Jack Cameron in Waynesboro. At least you can make out the horizon. It was locally dense in some locations. You couldn't even do that. But again, we will have the opportunity for more fog to develop tonight. These were our highs today. Welcome to late May. Yeah. Big difference. 79 at the airport. Again, that's 23 degrees above our average, 80 in Richmond, but you go up 95, only 58 in Washington. That's because a front basically put on the brakes across Northern Virginia and just south of the Potomac. That same front is sinking south as we speak. We've dropped 11 degrees since 4 o'clock. We're currently 68 now at the airport. It's 64 in Madison, but we're still 76 in Palmyra, 73 in Dillon, and some lower 70s across Augusta and Rockingham County. So you'll see the wind direction here, either out of the east or northeast, but then farther south you have southerly winds. So that front is bisecting the area, and it will play with the temperatures tonight and likely create some more fog as well. There are some showers and thunderstorms off to our north and west as close as Rockingham County. Our northern tier of counties tonight could still see the best opportunity for a few showers, but you can see some of the activity north of Harrisonburg. You get up toward Broadway, Timberville, Burkton, those areas. Temperatures here for the overnight, primarily in the 50s, but areas to the south could hold on to around 60 or so. And as mentioned, there will be some areas of dense fog. Tomorrow, wide range in the numbers once again. Maybe some upper 60s, but we'll say 70 in Culpeper to 80 in Dillon. But most of us hanging out in the 70s, and there could be a thunder shower in the late afternoon or evening hours. Now on Saturday, most of the day dry, but Saturday evening, Saturday night, we could have a few showers or a storm. And then Sunday, temperatures will back down, but still above average. And of course, this is the weekend with the time change as we spring ahead. Now on Saturday, the greatest severe risk will be out to our west in the Ohio Valley, but we have a marginal risk for an isolated severe storm, and that'll be on Saturday mainly for a damaging wind gust. But rainfall amounts taking us through Sunday night for most of us less than ½ an inch. So here we are at the setup. We have a wavy frontal boundary that stretches from the mid-Atlantic back through the Ohio Valley and points south and west of there. And you can see some of the cooler numbers north of the front and then the much warmer air to the south of the front. And it's basically that front is draped across the leading edge of this ridge of high pressure that is dominating the southeast and the mid-Atlantic coast. Temperatures will come down a little bit here on Sunday, but still above average for this time of year. So 50s for most of us tonight. There will be some areas of dense fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as temperatures remain well above average through the stretch. Again, we'll watch for a few showers or storm on Saturday. And then next week, we could make a run at some 80s before a more potent front arrives by the end of next week. Maybe Friday, a week from tomorrow, we'll get back to more average temperatures.
No rush. Thanks, Eric.
Well,